Right, everyone ready? We haven't got any overhead aircraft, have we? Come on, you bugger. I hope you're all 10 metres back. If I can get this fucking thing lit.
Maybe it's not to have your face directly above the rocket when you're lighting it.
Where's the fun in that? Come on, you bugger. One of them's going to have a lighter, aren't they? There we go. There we go. Hey? You don't get that at Rob at the back.
I will out to post that on the
You can post it wherever you like.